Hello, this is Alice from SHENYANG LANYING, the sales manager of steelbuildings with 12 years of experience. Over the past decade, I'm being invited to steelbuildings like warehouse, factory buildings, office building, and multi-floor buildings. One of my recent projects is an 8,000 square meter multi-span warehouse in Guatemala. Every project starts with a clear communication and precise planning. From design to fabrication, we ensure efficiency and good quality at every step. I value trust and long-term relationships with our customers. Trade fairs and on-site visitors can let us understand each other better. At Liaoning, we combine professional technical with thoughtful service. Our mission is to make every project satisfactory. Thank you for your time and attention. I'm happy to discuss further information with you.